In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a GIF on Reddit. If you want to share a GIF on Reddit, the process is pretty simple once you know where to click. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can get your post uploaded without confusion. First, go to Reddit. You can do this from your web browser by visiting the Reddit website and making sure you're signed into your account before you begin. If you're not logged in, take a moment to do that first, because you'll need an account in order to create and publish a post. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create. This opens the post creation area where you can choose what kind of content you want to share. If you don't immediately see the option, give the page a second to load and make sure you're on the main Reddit interface. Next, select the Images and Video tab. This is the section you'll use when you want to upload visual content directly from your device. Choosing the correct tab is important here because it tells Reddit that you're creating a media post rather than a text-only post or a link post. After that, enter your title. Your title is what people will see first, so make it clear and relevant to the GIF you're sharing. A good title helps viewers quickly understand what the post is about. Keep it simple, accurate, and easy to read. Now upload your GIF from your local device or camera roll, depending on the device you're using. Browse to the file, select it, and wait for Reddit to finish loading the upload. This may take a few seconds if the file is large or your internet connection is a little slow, so be patient and let it complete fully before moving on. Once the GIF is uploaded and everything looks right, click Post. Reddit will then publish your GIF so it can be viewed by others. Before you post, it's always a good idea to quickly review your title and make sure you selected the correct file. That small check can help you avoid reposting or deleting and trying again. And that's it. That's how to post a GIF on Reddit. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat.